This is my 9th Disney cruise. We leave in 1 week, and this is the first time I am doing a fish extender. So a couple of you guys asked me to do a video about it. I'm getting over a cold, so excuse me. So hopefully when we leave in a week, none of us would be sick because we were already sick. So let's jump into the fish extender. It is Christmas Eve, and this is a lot to be doing this, as well as Christmas gifts and all the things that come with Christmas. So probably not the best time to do this first thing, but I ordered this. So I just got it yesterday, and I had to put a rush order on it, and I had to pay an extra $15. So you don't need this, and I'll get all the information on it, but it is really adorable. So cruising with Mickey, the Laws family, and then you have options to do family, individuals, or kids only. So we did a kids only and a magnet exchange. So 2 different groups. And that's my daughter's name, Landon. If you are new here, she's 7 years old. I think this is her 7th cruise. I'm so happy with how that turned out. So it's called threadandstitches.com or on Etsy. And I paid... So I ordered this December 6th, and their estimated, not even arrival, ship was January 19th because it is custom. So if you are going to do this and you do want to buy one of these, make sure you leave 2 months, I would say, lead time to do a custom fish extender. I'm just thinking, I guess now we're doing this every cruise because I bought one of these. I paid $47 for the one pocket. Wow, Laura. And then she messaged me, like they asked, like, oh, when do you want it delivered? And I said, oh, this is our cruise date. It leaves on New Year's Eve. And so she's like, you need to pay for a rush order. So it was $15.90 for a rush order. That was a lot of money. So it was like $64 or something. But you don't have to do this. I've seen on other cruises, people actually go to like Office Depot and put up like an office pack. Or people just hang bags over the fish. If you don't know, there's a little fish outside, and that's where people hang these, or they could just hang a bag with your gifts. And a little more about it, it is on your Facebook group. So if you don't know, this is a must do. Not only should you download your Disney app, but you should find and search for the exact date. So we are Disney Fantasy, December 31st through January 3rd, I think. And then that's what the group's name is. So you go in there, they say like, oh, are you on this cruise? And like to make sure you're not like a spammer or something. And you join the group, and then you can talk to other people. And the fun part about being in that group is that when you're on the ship, there's always like drama, like people steal stuff from the fish extenders. And it's not just fish extenders, like they do like one of the times on our last cruise, I think on the Treasure, it was like secret shirts. So you buy all the guys matching shirts, and you go and you wear them this one night before dinner, and then they'll all show up in these matching shirts. And we didn't do it, but it was really funny. And then usually the administrator gives you lots of tips and things like that. And then when you go in there like, I think it's like maybe 45 days or 30 days before the cruise, they close them. So you can sign up, and they give you like 3 or 4 families in each group. And I say $10 to $20 per family is what you spend. And as far as us, we were grouped with similar kids. I don't know if they always do that, but there were a lot of girls my daughter's age. So, and then you write what characters you like and you are a fan of, Disney characters. And then you put your room number in. And we did a guaranteed stateroom. We got a really good deal on this. It was like $4,800 for a 4-night New Year's Eve cruise, which is crazy cheap for Disney. So we just got usually you get them like 10 to 14 days before the cruise now, and then you go back into the spreadsheet and make sure you put your room in there so the other people know where to drop it off. The 3D printer is going, so sorry if it's loud. Hopefully, I wanted to show you guys how this works. So here is the group, and you go to featured, and then you click on the Google Doc, and then on the home screen, It'll give you all the information about fish extenders. And then here are the different exchanges. So we did kids only, and I closed up the email for privacy. So we're in the Bullseye group, so it tells you their name, their child's name, gender, and age, and what characters they like. And then this family has 2 kids. So we're gonna make up the bags for these. And then the other one we did was the magnet exchange. One of our Christmas presents this year, family Christmas presents, was a 3D printer. And we got it about a week ago, and we've been printing away. I made this. It's a little magnet on a 3D printer when we went to our local library. And I love it. And you put on these little magnets every time you have, if you don't know, the ice creams are included. So every time you get an ice cream, you mark it underneath. And people really seem to like them. So I was like, you know what? I'll do a magnet exchange and make some more of those. And I might throw some into just the regular fish extender and well. And then we have just been printing nonstop. And we made these, which are so cute. And even made the ornament hook. We had a lot of Stitch fans in our group. So they had Stitch luggage tags and Stitch bracelets, and it was on sale right before Christmas, and they were like $4 a piece. It's like a pack of 4 for $20, so it would be $5 a piece. So I got a couple of those as well, but let me show you what I have so far. So interesting enough, one of the people in our group is the same person in the magnet. So it's going to be one big haul for that family. And then, like I said, we've been on 9 and we have Magic Band Plus. So we never use these lanyards, like never once of any of us. So I had like 10 of them. So I thought it'd be cute just to put their information on here. One, it lets them know who it's from and make sure it's for them. And the other thing is that when we're on the ship, you know, we don't have to go searching through some file to look for this. So we know their room number on here. So it just says to Troy from the Lost family. And he's a 5-year-old boy that loves Mickey. And this is a collapsible, so it'd be nice for packing, for Castaway Key, a little shovel, and some stickers as well. And I'll probably throw something else in there for him. I haven't thought about it yet. This is just so far what we have. And then this is the Stitch Ornament Eye 3D printed. So the 3 Stitch fans are all getting these. I really like this one because it's double-sided. So I thought that was really cute. And then this is a Descendants little girl. I think, yeah, this is the magnet one as well. So they're going to get a magnet and the Stitch, and then the Stitch stuff that comes from Macy's, and a cute beach bag with a collapsible. And I think they have 2 kids. And then for the magnet exchange, we're going to do these. And then I have to put the ice cream cones in here. I'll probably give them each 10. And then one of the lanyards as well. And I feel like I want to do something else for the magnet exchange because it is just 3D printed in the lanyard. So I'll have to think about that. So that's what I have so far, and I'll let you know what else I add to it before we leave for the cruise. Typically we take 2 large suitcases and like a medium one or a small one. So I think we're going to take 3 large suitcases for this, to allow for fish extender gifts and then whatever gifts my daughter gets as well. So that's it for now. I will show you before we leave the total thing that we're packing, and then I'll show it to you when we're on the ship. I'm packing up the fish extender gifts. They take up a lot of space. I collapsed those a little bit to help with the space. And then I folded these over to try to keep things from falling out, but I'm afraid all the little ice cream magnets are going to fall, so I'm going to go through and put all of those in Ziploc bags. First fish extender. Oh, this is from Genevieve and Giancarlo.
And also this.
Ah, maybe you're the bad guy.
No, I'm not.
All right, can you take it?
Is this a real?
You take the bag off, we'll see what they gave you. I see a water bottle.
What's this?
Stickers. What is that? Oh, those are so cute. Lip smackers.
Ooh.
I feel like I didn't get enough now.
They really did nice.
Oh my gosh, look what they gave her.
My gosh.
I did not get enough. Wow, that is really
Put a
nice.
$20 bill in the book.
That and a water bottle. And did they give you a duck or is that is that the duck from that you found?
They gave me an upside down. And some stickers.
It's so cute. Wow. This is her. Sherry has something.
What is it?
Okay. Oh, maybe you put it in here. Maybe this is what they're using for their fishing center. Yeah? All right, looks like
What do they have?
nothing. So you gotta put it in.
What is even? Oh.
We gave her a bunch of stuff. Got like gifts galore.
Okay, I definitely like
What in the world? Watch out, Phil, behind you.
so
All
much.
right. Oh my gosh.
So much.
People really go out for fishing center. What did you get? Oh, Happy New Year thing.
What's it do?
I don't know. Oh gosh.
How did you do that?
You got Doorables, crayons. Happy cruising, Landon, from your cabin friends.
Chinese. Wait, is this? Yeah, this is what I think it is. I'm going to eat it.
It's in an hour, babe.
Is it at 8:30?
It's at 8:30. It's on your thing.
That was at 8.
No.
If that's what I think it is, I'm going to eat
Oh my gosh. Phil. Cabin 10-545 gave Landon 2 things. That is so sweet.
it. Look, I love these. These are so yummy.
Oh, yeah. I can't believe she gave you 2 bags of stuff. I didn't know people spent like $40. You got gummies. You got oh, they must be from Michigan. That's cool. A little magnet from Michigan. Oh, this must be the magnet exchange.
I'm something Chinese.
Look, Landon, this is for the door to put the magnets on. Isn't that cute? You want to put those on? Sure. Families must have been pixie dusty. Is it good? You like it? So that's cute. Look, it's like a little ornament. You got Century stuff. Cool. With Belle. Look! It's a Disney Lego! That is so cool! The Disney ship Lego. M&M minis. Oh, that's so cute. Look, it's a nightlight. Landon, look! For up in your bunk bed. It's a nightlight. How cool is that?
What the heck is this?
Mickey Farkle. Never heard of that. That's a lot. What are they? Ew, they're soaps. Did you put it in your mouth? Why did you thought it was chocolate? Oh my gosh. Can I see the bag? Landon, you are too much. Get your water out. I can see why you think they were chocolate. They're soap. Stickers and soap. That's what she got. Disney Doorables. That's so cute, Landon. That's a good idea. So, Landon, this was our first time doing fish extenders. What did you think of it?
Well, I really, really, really liked it. It was fun. I liked it, and we got a lot of cool gifts and gave a lot of cool gifts.
Sorry, Landon. Got the flu. I think my favorite gift was the little nightlight you got. It was really nice to have that up in your bunk bed. Should we do it on our next cruise?
Uh-huh.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.